that is still bloody tight. Oh, hey, g'day guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jeremy Gourlay here from Grab Life by the Gourlays. Now today it's just going to be a quick follow-up video for the leaking caravan Sullage Hose Fix video that we previously did here. And we've been away in this caravan for a couple of times now, and it's been a few months, and this has still been tight and hasn't come loose. But as everything that I like to do things properly. So what we need to do today is put on some PVC glue. So there is no chance of it ever coming loose, because even though we've been out in it a couple of times and it's been a few months since, you know, we've done that fix, well, we haven't been on corrugations. And as we all know, corrugations can rattle the shit out of anything. So what we need to do is put some PVC glue on there and make sure it's tight like a tiger.
Tight like a tiger.
All right, so I ended up getting some PVC glue there, and well, if you have a look at it, it's got a few dangers on there. Well, one of them says it causes skin irritation. So what we need to do is protect ourselves. So you need to protect yourself before you wreck yourself. All right, glove up. Let's get another glove. You're gonna find me in the glove. No. All right. Let's not go into singing the wrong words. Okay. So let's see how tight or how loose this is. Oh, that just came off just like that. So if we were to have corrugations, that would have definitely come off. So let's get the old PVC glue and whack-a-do. Now, oh, look at that. It's like the Hulk blew his nose. All right, let's brush it on like this, as such. Brushy brush, brushy brush. We're gonna put some on the brush. Oh. Now, I don't think we need to put too much on. Just spread it lightly around. Pop that back on so we can not let this go off. All right, so time to whack-a-do. There we go. So now you just got to get your all-purpose rag, which I've used for all purposes. All right, lock that in there. And tidy it up. Oh, that is tight already. Oh, okay. All right, let's check it out. Now don't be a stranger, just hit that like and subscribe button for more van tips, tricks, mods and hacks. Well, there you go guys, all fixed, and it was super quick and easy. Now, what you need to do is let that set, and this should be set. That was terrible. Anyway, shouldn't have any problems on the corrugations now. And there'll be no worries, fingers crossed, when it comes time to doing our lap. And when we do things, we like to do things properly. So this is why I've come back and I've used proper PVC glue. All right, till next time guys, until the next mod, which maybe I'll cut a hole in this and make an extra boot. I don't know. I'll see what I've got going planned. I have ordered the boot though, or the boot door. So stay tuned for that, because it'll be very nerve-wracking to be cutting through this, and hopefully I'll get it right. Well, I will get it right. What is it? What do they say? Measure thrice, cut twice? Yep. Anyway, till next time, I'll see you later. Bye.